Hello students, let us now learn the symbols of the Hindi vowels. These symbols in Hindi are known as matrai. As you all know, there are 13 vowels in Hindi, but there are only 12 symbols for the vowels. Here you can see the list of symbols of the Hindi vowels. Haswa bangin yakped yakiniki symbols jong ki vowels, nanget pila nang lupa yaki vowels bat ki consonants. Dong ineped mentang yakatu kat ni ki kentin ki bala pendan kamlang da ki symbols ringkat bat ki consonants. Uni udai udak a. Bat napdang ki Hindi vowels tang uni udak udai ubam don symbols. Kum kanuksa kan pin pi menta ka spelling bus. Hang ni pi tang u consonants ba sa bus. Klem dan vowels, klem dan symbols. Tang consonants ba sa bus. Here we have the symbol for the vowel a. It is known as a ki matra. For example, in the word chata, there are ta, a ki matra, ta, a ki matra, chata. Uni udai symbol i ki matra, jong vowel choti i. Hakane ka example Ciria akan membuat sim POE dan symbol choti i badai u i ki matra. My dear students, do you know what symbol is this? Look carefully. Yes, this is i ki matra. Uni symbol i ki matra udai symbol dan benda u vowel bari i. For example, spelling hathi. Ha, ang, tha, i ki matra. Hathi. Hang ni menta POE u symbol u ki matra. Uni symbol POE udan chatrai. Omdai shijrong. For example, spelling gulab. Ga, u ki matra, la, a ki matra, ba, gulab. POE u ki matra udan chatrai. Uni pat udi symbol jong u bari u. Ong ya uni ya u ki matra. Example hang ni pa u ki matra la phul. Phul kamut ki sentil. Hang ni ru POE u symbol u udon chatrai jong kidang. Uni pat udai u symbol ri ki matra. For example, grahon. Grahon kamut ki planets. Hang ni POE uri ki matra udon chatrai jong kidang. Uni pat udai udak e ki matra. But habatho yung ni udak tho hajrong jong ulan. For example, here you can see the spelling same. Sa e ki matra ba. E ki matra udon hajrong. Uni udai symbol e ki matra. But habatho uni symbol habtho shawajrong jong ulan. Hakani ka example ka spelling bell. Ba a ki matra la bell. But POE u a ki matra udan shijrong jong ulan. Next, for the vowel o, we have o ki matra. This is the symbol for the vowel o. Here in this example, spelling tota. Te o ki matra, te a ki matra, torta. Here we have au ki matra. One of the example, a simple word using au ki matra is nauka. My dear students, do you know what is the next vowel in Hindi? Yes, it is ang. And here we have ang ki matra. So this is the symbol ang ki matra. When you write the symbol ang ki matra, you have to write on top of the line. Kania kadai ka example, kumno bakin pendon kam ya ang ki matra. Hang ne piu i ang ki matra dan chajrong jong line. Nia udai symbol jong u vowel aha. But you ni kot aha ki matra. Kania kadai kawai kanuksa hakabang pendon kam ya uni symbol. Hang ni piu i artli ki dot batho shakin riang. Uni udai symbol aha. Dikena ngengit kat tu pila sung thua. Keep practicing and keep learning. Insay kendu pad hakawai ka video. Bye.